Hey guys, we got a skincare package from Korea. Like guys, I'm so excited. This is my first international PR package I've received since I started content creation. Can't wait to open it and show you guys what is inside. Like, hey, your girl is going international. Like more brands like guys, this is your sign to start creating content. If you don't take your content creating serious, you have to take it serious. So I'm going to unbox the product I received. So I'm going to be unboxing 4 different good products that I received from Korea brand with you guys right here and now. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Ta-da! So guys, let's unbox it and see the different packages that is inside this box. So guys, this is the package that is inside. This package here are from 4 different Korea brands, so we're just going to be checking them one after the other right away. Whoa, so cute. This is from Odada and is a tea brand from Korea. So we are going to be trying this out during my lifestyle content. I'll be showing you guys how to use it. So this is the first PR package that I got from Odada tea. So let's check out another package from another brand. And guys, this is another brand. Let's open it and see what's inside. Whoa, 2 brands are here. These are from 2 brands. This is eye cream from another brand. This brand is called LYMPHO. I don't know if I get that right. So this is it, and this is eye cream. I'm also going to be showing you how to use this as well. Whoa, wow, this is rose water spray and it's hydrating mist. So I'm going to be showing you how to use it subsequent, so just keep watching my video and all that. And this is from Eyewear Us. This is where it's from, and it's a Korea brand as well. This is the 3rd PR package from another brand. So I told you guys it's 4 brands that reach out to me. So let's check the last one, which is the 4th one from the 4th brand. I don't know if that makes sense. Package. And guys, this is the 4th one. So let's just open it and see how it's inside. Oh, these ones are much. I already opened on some of all those things on TikTok, on my TikTok page. So if you're not following me on my TikTok page, I'll leave the handle on the screen. So do want to go and check my TikTok page out, because I create so many content out there than I create on YouTube. So, wow, this is from Abib, and there are 3 products inside here. So I'm just going to be bringing out them. So I'm going to be bringing them out one by one and show you how they look. So this is the first one I'm bringing out, and this one is. So this is the first one I'm bringing out. Look at it, and this one is. This is the Collagen overnight mask. Look at it, guys. Wow. So still from the same box, we still have this one. This one is lifting collagen wrapping mask. So this is the collagen lifting wrapping mask, and I'm also going to show you how to use all those products I've unboxed today with you guys. This is it. And this is the 3rd one also. Let me check what's this one. This one is eye patch. This is retinal eye patch. Wow, so nice. Look at it, guys. I'm just so excited. Like, I'm very excited. I don't see this brand on TikTok, and I'm like, when will I go? When will I get products from them? And finally, we are here. Just believe, do your thing, create your content. Brands are watching, and if you are watching me, you are a brand, you're looking for content creator or UGC creator. I'm going to be leaving my business email in my description. Do want to reach out to me. Let's talk business. And don't forget, I create relatable and authentic content that will suit your brand. You can be beauty, hair, anything at all relating to content creating. I'm your number one. Do well to reach out to me. And guys, this is all I wanted to share with you. I know you're happy for me just the same way I am happy. Pray for more opportunities to come, more international deals to come, and even locally. And guys, if you have not watched my previous video, please do well to watch them, as you also find them interesting. On this channel, I create content around beauty, hair, lifestyle, and more of beauty. So if you are a brand and you're looking for UGC creator or content creator to help you create content for your brand, authentic content and relatable content that will suit your product or your brand, I'm the right OG for you. You can hit me with the email in my description. Let's talk business. And guys, if you have not watched my previous video on this channel, you are wrong. You need to go and watch them and also check them out. And if you have not subscribed, you are also wrong. It's free. That is the only way you can encourage me, and also share this video to your friends and loved ones so that YouTube can push this content to more people to watch and also subscribe to this channel. And guys, if you have not been creating content, this is your sign to start creating content. There is money in content, not just the money. Be doing what you love doing. If you can create content, brands out there are looking for people to help them produce video, to help them do things for them, and you get paid. That is how you can make money. Whether you're a student, you're a worker, you're a graduate, you can still do it, and it will help you a whole long way. So I'm encouraging you today, if you have not been creating content on your social media handle, your TikTok handle, or your YouTube, try to create content. Even though nobody is reaching out to you, look for something in your house, your cream, anything, use it to create content, and by so doing, brands will be checking you out and they'll reach out to you. That is how I got mine. Even this head I'm wearing is a paid collaboration, my first PR package for the year. And this is the first time I'll be getting a paid collab for a hair brand. And these ones that I unboxed today are from Korea brand, and you can see it's just step by step. With time, you start getting bigger and better. Even though you are creating rubbish, keep creating. One day you will get it right. So guys, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. From me to you, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.